Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting the core drivers of low RPM, watch time, and ad-friendly signals. Audit the last 30 days, look at RPM, average watch time, and engagement percentage, then pick the top 5 clips with the best retention. Once done, repurpose those clips into 3 new edits, each with a stronger hook in the first 3 seconds. Make sure to remove copyrighted audio and switch to platform-native sounds that keep viewers watching longer. This is your immediate action to stop RPM bleeding. Next, you scale the winners. Create 3 to 5 vertical edits per high-retention clip and test different hooks, CTA, and pacing. Explain why. More variance means faster data on what boosts click-to-watch and ad eligibility. Simultaneously, audit topics for advertiser safety, avoid controversial phrases and copyrighted music that lower ad demand. Once variants run, focus on session starts, cross-promote to Reels or Stories, and post at your channel's peak hours to amplify watch time and improve RPM signals. Finally, lock the consistently high-performing variants and pause the low-retention edits after about 72 hours of testing. Once locked, iterate thumbnails, first-frame text, and pacing to eke out more watch time and ad impressions. Small gains compound. Make sure to monitor RPM weekly and compare against impressions and CPM trends. If RPM remains stubbornly low, troubleshoot. Check for account strikes, excessive copyrighted content, niche saturation, or audience misalignment. Then pivot your content mix or expand to adjacent niches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.